So now we're going to add in story problems or word problems. So we want to solve this problem. Sophia remodeled her kitchen and bought a new range, microwave, and dishwasher. The range cost $1,100, the microwave cost $250, and the dishwasher cost $525. What was the total cost of these three appliances? So we always want to look at the question in the problem. So they're asking us, what was the total cost of these three appliances? Now, the total cost gives us a clue of what to do. That means to add these numbers together to find the total cost, so the total amount. So first we have $1,100 for the range. Then we have $250 for the microwave. And then we have $525 for the dishwasher. So we add up all of these together. We want to find the total cost of these appliances. So we'll start off with the ones column. We have 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 1 and 2 is 3, and 5 is 8. And we have that 1,000 remaining. So the total cost is $1,875. So for this problem, we want to make sure that we have the dollar sign because they asked us the total cost. Without the dollar sign, we just have a number, and that may be wrong for many teachers. 121, this next problem, Ethan rode his bike 14 miles on Monday, 19 miles on Tuesday, 12 miles on Wednesday, 25 miles on Friday, and 68 miles on Saturday. What was the total number of miles Ethan rode? The clue that tells us what to do is this question in the problem. What was the total number of miles Ethan rode? So the total, that's our clue that we are going to be adding together. So we are adding the total number of miles that he rode. So first we have 14. I'm just going to cross them out as we go along. We have 14, 19, we have 12, and we have 25, and 68. We want to find the total number of miles that he rode, so we're going to start by adding these together. So I'm going to use the commutative property of addition, and I'm going to add 8 and 2 first, because that makes an easy 10. So we have 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 9 is 24, plus 4 is 28. We have 2 and 1 is 3, 4, 5, 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. We have the number 138, but it asks the number of miles, so we want to put the units here and write miles. We have 138 miles. Our next problem, we have Jackson lives in a 7-room apartment. The number of square feet in each room is 238, 120, 156, 196, 100, 132, and 225. What is the total number of square feet in all 7 rooms? So the question here is, what is the total number of square feet? So the clue is total number of square feet. So the total is our real clue. That tells us to add. We're adding all of the square feet together. We're going to start off with adding the square feet in each room, and these numbers represent the square feet. So we have 238, 120, 156, 196, 100, 132. Let's make that neater. And 225. We have 7 add-ins here, and it can get a little tricky. This is where knowing our addition facts comes in handy. We have 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 6 is 20, 22, 27. We'll carry the 2. 2 and 3 is 5, 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 9 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26. And carry the 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 2 is 11. So we have the number 1,167, but we need to put the units in this problem, and the units are square feet. So our final answer is 1,167 square feet. In our last story problem, we have last year Natalie's salary was $82,572. 2 years ago, her salary was $79,316. And 3 years ago, it was $75,298. What is the total amount of Natalie's salary for the past 3 years? So we're trying to find out what to do. We look for the question inside the problem. So what is the total amount of Natalie's salary? So total amount. That's our clue to add. So what are we adding? We are adding the salary, Natalie's salary for the past 3 years. So we have 3 salaries here, and we want to add them together. Our first one is $82,572. And we have $79,316. Let's cross those out. And then we have our last one, $75,298. We want to add these together. So we'll start with the ones column. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 6 is 16. We have 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7 is 17, 18. We have 1 and 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. 1 and 2 is 3, plus 9 is 12, and 5 is 17. We have 1 and 8 is 9, plus 7 is 16, plus another 7 is 23. So we have the number 237,186. But we got to remember the units, and the units, they're asking for the salary, or in this case, it's going to be how much money she made. So she made $237,186.